I comment, I would like to say thank you to everyone for being here today, and also for the Scholarship Committee Luncheon for making this possible. Thank you, Dean Max Michael. Thank you, our faculty, staff, our alumni. Thank you all for being here today. A big congratulations to you, Dr. Mazzi. Thank you for inspiring us. I can stand here before you today because of the generous contributions of friends, alumni, and colleagues of the One Navea Scholarship and Endowment Scholarship. Dr. Navea's family is here. I want to say thank you to you personally. My fellow recipients have come from all over the world and all around the United States. I am from Nigeria. My beloved country is one of the largest oil-producing nations in the world, yet our health service performance has consistently been ranked one of the worst by the World Health Organization. Unlike most girls who grew up in a typical Nigerian home, I was raised to be aware of these issues. I was 11 years old when my father began to manage the day-to-day activities of a small community hospital in my hometown, Abeokuta. I watched my father enact policies to encourage the poor to seek better health care. Heartbreakingly, I also watched him struggle to get enough resources to fund the hospital. There were many who needed care. There was so little to provide this care for them. My father never gave up. He was genuinely interested and wanted everyone to have access to good quality health care. This was how I was inspired to pursue public health. And this is why I am in healthcare organization and policy. I believe that with the right policies in place, we can make a difference in Nigeria. It's really one thing to want to make a difference and have these dreams, these goals, these aspirations. It's another thing to be in an environment where these goals can be nurtured and brought to life. I can tell you that here at the UAB School of Public Health, we are blessed with outstanding faculty and mentors who would not only equip us and prepare us to face the toughest challenges of the world, but also inspired us to dream and think beyond what we know. Some of my professors out here have been extremely blessed to be in class with Dr. Sen. Dr. Kilgo is my research advisor currently, and I can tell you that they are one of the best people. When people ask me what I intend to do with my doctoral degree, I have realized that they are asking me whether or not I intend to return to Nigeria. I tell them that I want to change the face of healthcare in my country. Well, they tell me that the problems, we have a lot, I know that, but I also tell them that this is why I'm at UAB. And here is why. Nigeria, as you may already know, was recently declared Ebola-free. When the first case was diagnosed about 3 months ago, many believed that we will be one of the worst hit nations in the world. Why is that? Nigeria is only twice the size of California, but we have more than half the population of the United States. So if the Ebola was not brought in control as fast as it was, we would probably have had an epidemic. Luckily, we are Ebola-free, and people have asked me, what did Nigeria do differently from, say, countries like Liberia and Sierra Leone, who are still struggling to keep Ebola under check? I am not an Ebola expert. Dr. Craig Wilson gave a wonderful speech the other day. I'm sure you can ask him, but I can tell you that UAB got the right man for the job. The head of our Ebola emergency operation is a 2010 graduate from our school. Dr. Faisal Shuaib was here at UAB and was mentored by Dr. Jolly here, and he credits his knowledge at UAB for his ability to be able to keep Ebola under check in Nigeria. This is why the work of UAB is very important. And this is why your continued support, friends, colleagues, and alumni, is necessary. When you support us, you're not only impacting our lives, but you're changing the world. Knowing I've been awarded this scholarship, I really feel proud, but also I feel even more obliged to want to do more and go back and make a difference. Like Dr. Shuaib, my fellow Nigerian, I want to make a big impact in the healthcare system. I want to make sure that hospitals have the basic necessities to address the issues that we have. And I hope I'm able to do this, and I believe that with the mentorship that I have, that I'm receiving at UAB, I will be able to do this. As I wrap this up, I want to remind you again that every contribution that you make is a contribution towards changing the world. On behalf of my colleagues who have received a named scholarship, we say thank you so much for your generosity. We hope you continue to support us. Lastly, my sincere appreciation to Mona McCarthy for giving me the opportunity to stand before you here today. Thank you all for listening.